Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be talking about how do birds fly? It's just feathers and the air would go through the feathers. So how do they fly? I feel like it's another government conspiracy because I personally never learned about birds in school. So I think that's a thing. They're really annoying. I don't like birds. I think they're like Satan's animals or something. Because I'm scared of them. I had a bird once and it was about to get run over. And I didn't stop it because I didn't like it. So, birds are weird and they're not real.